Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video in our SEO series. In this video, we are going to be discussing a few SEO tools that help you create SEO optimized content. If you're a content writer, you already know how hard it can be to improve content quality consistently. It also is difficult to find tools that match real industry standards and practical for daily use. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 free tools that can help you improve your content and improve your chances of ranking for your target keywords. To begin, we have Ahrefs Free Traffic Checker. One of the biggest challenges that writers face is identifying the correct target keywords. Clients usually share a topic or a title, but they often don't provide a keyword volume or keyword difficulty data. So the question is, how do you find the right keyword along with their volume and difficulty without using all of those paid tools? Well, that's exactly what Ahrefs Free Traffic Checker helps with. To use it, all you need to do is open the search result that says website traffic checker, estimate any site's traffic. Now, let's assume that your topic is food tours New Orleans. Search that phrase on Google and look at the website's ranking on the first page. Pick the website ranking at the top, copy its URL, and then we're going to paste it into the Ahrefs traffic checker. Now we're going to click check traffic. This method works because you're analyzing pages that are already ranking. That means the keyword list is far more relevant than guessing keywords from scratch. Now, if your topic is food in New Orleans, you should open the top 3 ranking results for that page. One of them may be from Taste Bud Tours, one may be from Destination Kitchen, and one from New Orleans Food Tours. Once you paste the URLs, Ahrefs will show you a list of keywords along with their search volume. From the keyword list, you can choose your primary and secondary keywords. Your primary keyword should be the most relevant keyword with the highest volume. For example, New Orleans Food Tour can be your primary keyword. Then you can select related secondary keywords such as Food Tours New Orleans Food Tours New Orleans, and Best Food Tours New Orleans. This is how you find a strong primary keyword, useful secondary keywords that are all related to your blog topic for free. Now we're going to repeat the process for another topic so you can clearly understand our workflow here. Assume your customer gives you the title, Top 5 Destinations to Visit in New York in 2026. Search that topic on Google and open the top ranking pages. We're going to copy the URL of the first ranking page and paste it into the Ahrefs free traffic checker. By also doing this with the top 3 ranking URLs, we're able to get some keyword options that are already proven to rank for this topic. Sometimes you might not find a keyword list that matches your exact angle, and if that happens, just move on to the next URL. For example, you can analyze a page from TripAdvisor and then analyze another page that ranks for the same intent. For those keyword lists, you can select your primary keyword and your secondary keywords. For example, places to visit in New York can be your primary keyword. Then your secondary keyword could be must-see places in New York, top places to visit in New York, or New York places. This process for finding keywords for free is a great way to learn from websites that are already ranking. Next, now that we have our topic and our keywords, the most important thing to check for is plagiarism in any of your blogs. This is not something we recommend at all, but sometimes some lines may unintentionally match the original content based on the similarity of the keywords, so you always want to check a plagiarism tool to make sure that Google won't deduct you for anything. Duplicate content can always hurt your performance, so it's very important to verify this before publishing. To do that, you're going to search for the Dupli Checker tool on Google. You're going to open the first result that says plagiarism checker, paste your content in the box, and make sure to verify the CAPTCHA and hit check plagiarism. After that, after the scan, you'll see the plagiarism percentage and the unique percentage. For example, you might see something like this, 96% unique and 4% plagiarized. The tool will also highlight the exact lines and show you where the matched content appears online. This is how you can verify originality and make sure nothing is impacting your search engine results before your work is published. Now, the third tool. We're going to move on to an AI detection tool. This is ZeroGPT. When you're trying to rank on search engines, making sure that your AI content is very low is important. You may check your content in one tool and see a low AI score, but your client might check it in another and see 20 or 30%. When that happens, you need a tool that clearly detects AI-generated content so you know what needs to be written. This is where ZeroGPT comes in to help. Open ZeroGPT, paste your content, and then click Detect Text. The tool will show you how much of the content appears to be AI generated. This makes it easier to meet client requirements across multiple different detection tools. Next, tool number 4, an SEO review tool and readability checker. Now, we're going to move on to the fourth tool, which is related to readability. Sometimes a client might say that your content is hard to understand or not suitable for your audience. This is a great time to check the readability score of the content. This will give you a score and give you clear improvement signals from where to begin. We use the tool SEO Review Tools Readability Checker. Paste your text in the text input button and then verify it. The tool will show you your readability score. For example, it may show up a score like 59, which means that the content is still too difficult for a general audience. But it'll also break down your average word length, average sentence length, and average paragraph length. This will help you understand exactly what is making the content harder to read. As a general rule, simpler English and shorter sentences improve readability. If you write close to a 6th or 7th grade level, readability often improves to 90 or 100. But if you're writing closer to a 7th grade level, it might be around 80 or 90. Using simple words, short sentences, headings, and clear structure improves your score. Now we're going to move on to our fifth tool, the SEMrush free credits. SEMrush usually provides around 7 to 10 free credits daily. This is a great thing that can help when you need topic ideas, keyword variations, or a keyword strategy. All you need to do is go to the keyword strategy builder on SEMrush. You're going to enter your keyword, such as New Orleans food tours, and then you're going to select your target audience location and click search. SEMrush will generate a list of related keywords and ideas. You're also able to see important metrics like keyword volume, keyword difficulty, cost per click, and competition. You'll also see other questions that are related to the search intent. This helps you build a stronger keyword plan and understand the SERP landscape before writing. There we have it. These are our top 5 free tools that you can use to improve your content and optimize it for SEO. I hope this video helped you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!